Hello everyone, good morning students. Today we will continue with the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. Today we will start part 2 of this lesson. Yesterday we have discussed that Bipin Babu was dead sure that he had never visited Ranchi in all his life. Parimal Ghosh and had also said that Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee was in Ranchi at that time. Bipin Babu knew him well, so he thought of going to him. He then rejected the idea because it looked ridiculous and may even prompt Dinesh to suspect the soundness of his mind. So today we will discuss in part 2 what will happen next. Bipin Babu's car was safely parked in Bertram Street by the Lighthouse Cinema. He told the driver as he got into the car, "Just drive by the Ganga. Will you, Sitaram?" The driver's name was Sitaram. So Bipin Babu told his driver that just drive by the Ganga. Driving up the Strand Road, Bipin Babu regretted having paid so much attention to the intruder. He had never been to Ranchi. No question about it. It was inconceivable that he should forget such an incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. वो अपने आप में ही ऐसे सोच रहे थे कि जस्ट 6 और 7 साल पहले की बात मैं कैसे भूल सकता हूँ. ही हैड एन एक्सेलेंट मेमोरी unless Bipin Babu's had drilled. Here, the word is given drilled. What is the meaning of heat drilled? Heat drilled means confused of. He was shocked and confused that how can I forget the incident which took place only 6 or 7 years ago. Was he losing his mind? But how could that be? He was working daily in his office. It was a big firm and he was doing a responsible job. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. Only today he spoke for half an hour at an important meeting. वो सोच रहे थे खुद कि मैं इतनी अच्छी ऑफिस में इतना अच्छा वर्क करता हूँ, इतनी बड़ी फर्म है एंड मैं एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल जॉब कर रहा हूँ. He wasn't aware of anything ever going seriously wrong. And yet the man knew a great deal about him. How? He even seemed to know some intimate details. The bag of books, wife's death, brother's intensity. The only mistake was about his having gone to Ranchi. वो क्या सोच रहे हैं? बिपिन बाबू left the shop and tried to forget all about Mr. Ghosh, but no use. Because the man seemed to know some intimate details like the bag of books, his wife's death, his brother's intensity, so on. The only mistake was अबाउट ही इज़ हैविंग गॉन टू रांची. वो सोच रहा है कि ये इंसान जो बोल रहा है वो झूठ तो नहीं बोल सकता क्योंकि उसने मेरे भाई की बात की, मेरी वाइफ की डेथ की बात की, मेरी बुक्स जो बैग में बुक्स थी उसके बारे में बात की, तो वो झूठ तो नहीं बोल रहा है. बट ओनली मिस्टेक वो है कि वो जो रांची के बारे में वो बोल रहा है वो बात रॉन्ग है. नॉट अ मिस्टेक और डेलिबरेट लाई. In 1508, during the pujas, he was in Kanpur at his friend Haridas Bagchi's place. All Bipin Babu had to do was write to. No, there was no way of writing to Haridas. Bipin Babu suddenly remembered that Haridas had left with his wife for Japan some weeks ago and he didn't have his एड्रेस. फिर बिपिन बाबू सोच रहे हैं कि मैं तो 1958 में हरिदास के साथ था, उसकी घर पे जो पूजा थी वो मैं अटेंड कर रहा था. बट उसको वो सोच रहा है कि क्या मैं हरिदास से पूछ सकता हूँ. बट सडनली फिर उसको याद आ रहा है, वो रिमाइंड कर रहा है कि हरिदास तो अपनी फैमिली के साथ, अपने वाइफ के साथ जापान चला गया है एंड जापान का एड्रेस तो उसके पास है ही नहीं. बट there was the need for proof. But where was the need for proof? He himself was fully aware that he hadn't been to Ranchi, and that was that. फिर वो अपने आप में कंफ्यूज हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा फॉर सम टाइम्स वो ऐसे सोच रहा है कि मैं रांची तो गया ही नहीं था, फिर प्रूफ की क्या ज़रूरत है। बट समटाइम्स उसके माइंड में ये आइडिया आ रहा है कि अगर मैं गया था तो कुछ तो बात होगी ही, इसका कोई तो प्रूफ होगा ही। द रिवर ब्रीज वॉज ब्रेजिंग एंड येट अ स्लाइट डिस्कम्फर्ट लिंगर्ड इन बिपिन बाबूज माइंड। Around Hastings, Bipin Babu decided to roll up his trousers and take a look at his right knee. There was the mark of an old inch long cut. It was impossible to tell when the injury had occurred. Had he never had a fall as a boy and cut his knee? He tried to recall such an incident but couldn't. Then Bipin Babu suddenly thought of Dinesh Mukherjee. The man had said that Dinesh was in Ranchi at the same time. The best thing surely would be to ask him. He lived quite near in Beninandan Street. What about going right now? But then, if he had really never been to Ranchi, what would Dinesh think if Bipin Babu asked for a confirmation? फिर वो सोच रहा है कि दिनेश मुखर्जी के बारे में वो इंसान बोल रहा था, तो क्या मैं दिनेश से पूछ सकता हूँ। फिर उनको याद आ रहा है कि दिनेश जो है वो बैनी नंदन स्ट्रीट मीन्स वहीं से थोड़े ही दूर रहता था, तो बिपिन बाबू सोच रहे हैं उनसे मिलने जाने के लिए। बट आफ्टर सम टाइम वो सोच रहे हैं कि अगर मुझे याद है तो इसके बारे में कंफर्मेशन लेने की क्या ज़रूरत है। ही वुड प्रॉबेबली कंक्लूड बिपिन बाबू वॉज गोइंग नट्स। नो, इट वुड बी रिडिकुलस टू आस्क हिम। सो वो सोच रहे हैं कि अगर मैं पूछूंगा दिनेश मुखर्जी से जाके तो ये बहुत रिडिकुलस लगेगा और वो ऐसे सोचेगा कि ये कैसे टाइप का मैन है। एंड ही न्यू हाउ रूथलेस दिनेश sarcasm could be. Sipping a cold drink in his air conditioned living room, Bipin Babu felt at ease again. Such a nuisance. Just because they have nothing else to do, they go about getting into other people's hair. Getting into other people's hair. This is the phrase, and this means interfering with and annoying people. After dinner, snuggling in bed with one of the new thrillers, Bipin Babu forgot all about the man in न्यू मार्केट। फिर डिनर के बाद जब वो बेड पे बैठे थे तो वो भूल गए थे। बिपिन बाबू forgot all about the man in न्यू मार्केट। नेक्स्ट डे in the office, Bipin Babu noticed that with every passing hour, the previous day's encounter was occupying more and more of his mind. If the man knew so much about Bipin Babu, how could he make such a mistake about Ranchi trip? फिर बार बार उनको एक ही ख्याल आ रहा है उनके माइंड में कि अगर वो इंसान मेरे बारे में इतनी सारी चीज़ें जानता था तो वो रांची ट्रिप के बारे में उससे गलती कैसे हो सकती है। Just before lunch, Bipin Babu decided to ring up Dinesh Mukherjee. It was better to settle the question over the phone. At least the embarrassment on his face wouldn't show. 235616 बिपिन बाबू डायल द नंबर। फिर बिपिन बाबू जो है वो दिनेश मुखर्जी को फ़ोन लगाते हैं। वो नंबर डायल करके बोल रहे हैं, हेलो, इज़ दैट दिनेश? दिस इज़ बिपिन हियर। वेल, व्हाट्स द न्यूज़? I just wanted to find out if you recalled an incident which took place in 58. 58 means year. The incident of 1958. The year was 1958. So Dinesh Mukherjee asked in call, 58? What incident? Were you Calcutta right through that year? That's the first thing I have got to know. Wait, just a minute. 58. Just let me check in my diary. Then Dinesh Mukherjee said, just let me check in my diary for the year 1958. For a minute there was silence. Bipin Babu could feel that his heartbeat had gone up. He was sweating a little. Hello. Yes, I have got it. I had been out twice. Where? Once in February, nearby to Krishnanagar to a nephew's wedding, and then you would know about this one. The trip to Ranchi. You were there too. That's all. But what's all these sleuthing about? Here, the word sleuthing means investigating. So, जब वो दिनेश मुखर्जी से 1958 के इवेंट्स के बारे में इंसिडेंट्स के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं तो दिनेश मुखर्जी बोल रहे हैं कि ये सब इन्वेस्टिगेट आप क्यों कर रहे हो. नो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू एनीवे थैंक्स. देन जो दिनेश बाबू हैं वो थैंक्स ग्रीट करके दिनेश मुखर्जी से बोल रहे हैं आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू. फिर वो अचानक से रुक जाते हैं. नो आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू एनी वे थैंक्स. बिपिन बाबू स्लैम्ड द रिसीवर डाउन एंड ग्रिप्ड हिज हेड विथ हिज हैंड. तो जब बिपिन बाबू ने बोला कि हाँ तब 1958 में आप रांची में ही थे, तब अचानक से वो कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. ही स्लैम्ड द रिसीवर डाउन एंड ग्रिप्ड हिज हेड विथ हिज हैंड. वो अपने दोनों ही हैंड से अपना हेड जो है वो सर पकड़ के बैठ जाते हैं. ही फेल्ट हिज हेड स्विमिंग. A chill seemed to spread over his body. There were sandwiches in his tiffin box, but he didn't eat them. He had lost his appetite. अब वो मोर कन्फ्यूज ही बिकेम मोर कन्फ्यूज. वो क्या कंफर्म कर रहे हैं, वो क्या सोच रहे हैं, वो कंफ्यूज हो गए हैं कि अब तो दिनेश मुखर्जी जो हैं उन्होंने भी अपने रांची ट्रिप के बारे में बोला. सो वो अचानक से सोच में पड़ जाते हैं. इन डिस्पेयर बिपिन बाबू स्लैम दैट रिसीवर एंड हेल्ड हिज हेड विथ हिज हैंड्स. He had reputation for being tireless worker in his firm also. Then scene number 3. After lunchtime, Bipin Babu realized that he couldn't possibly carry on sitting at his desk and working. This had never happened in the 25 years he had been with the firm. वो लास्ट 25 ईयर से यही वर्क में काम कर रहे हैं, बट उन्होंने ऐसा आज से पहले अपने आप को इतना टायरिंग कभी महसूस नहीं किया. He had a reputation for being tireless, conscientious worker, but today his head was in a whirl. वो 25 ईयर से काम कर रहे हैं, बट 25 ईयर से उनकी क्या रिप्यूटेशन थी, तो एक टायरलेस वर्कर, केयरफुल एंड करेक्ट वर्कर की तरह उनकी एक रिप्यूटेशन थी. बट आज वो अपने आप को बहुत ही टायरफुल, बहुत ही टायर्ड फील कर रहे थे. Back home at 2:30, Bipin Babu lay down in bed and tried to gather his wits together. He knew that it was possible to lose one's memory through an injury in the head, but he didn't know of a single instance of someone remembering everything except one particular incident, and a fairly recent and significant one at that. He had always wanted to go to Ranchi, to have gone there, done things, and not to remember was something utterly impossible. That day he was feeling tired and giddy. He left his office and came home. When he lay in his bed, his servant told him that Chuni Babu wanted to see him. वो अपने आप में ऐसे सोच रहे हैं कि अगर कोई इंसान चोट लगने के कारण वो अपनी मेमोरी लॉस कर दे तो ये पॉसिबल बन सकता है. बट ऐसा तो मेरे साथ कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है. फिर भी ऐसा तो क्या हुआ है कि जैसे मैं पूरी रांची की जो मेमोरी है वो लॉस हो गई है मुझसे. एट 7:30 बिपिन बाबू सर्वेंट केम एंड अनाउंस्ड, Chuni Babu, sir says it's very important. Chuni Babu wanted to see him, though at first he refused to meet Chuni Babu. The nagging thought about the trip which he had supposedly taken to Ranchi compelled him to seek confirmation about from Chuni Babu. Remaining lesson we will discuss in our next session. Thank you everyone. Bye. Have a nice day.